In this video, I'm going to show you how you can launch your own online business in 1 to 2 days and then make $900 over and over again simply by reselling done-for-you digital programs in the e-learning industry. So if you're new here, my name is Dan and I'm from Michigan. I used to be a monk and I help people make money online so they can live a life of freedom. So let me know where you're watching from. If you're watching this video, if you're watching the replay, or if you're just watching this video, let me know where you're watching from. And basically, I'm just going to break down how this business works. I'm going to show you how it works. I've made a multiple 5 figures with this business myself already. And I've done that just by following a 2-hour workday. So basically, we have a 2-hour workday, which consists of posting 3 pieces of content every single day to social media. And you can also copy and paste free ads that you can post to these high traffic websites, or you can go live. So what I do every day, what I've done to make thousands of dollars and build this business to multiple 5 figures so far, all I've done is I follow this 2-hour workday and I post content and I go live. That's basically what I do. It's called attraction marketing. So you don't have to pay for ads. You don't have to bother your friends and family. You don't have to cold message strangers. You're just basically posting content on social media. And that's what I've personally done to generate multiple 5 figures. And we have people in our community who've made multiple 6 figures. One person's made multiple 7 figures with this business. So all you need is Wi-Fi, your phone, 2 hours a day, and social media, and then you just need our blueprint. So if you want the blueprint, just go here, 7figuremonk.com. The link's in my bio, okay? Just check out the details, put in your email, check everything out. If you have any questions, just reply to my emails. Now I'm just gonna show you what this business looks like, and basically I'm gonna break down how it works, okay? So let me share my screen real fast. And so here is these pages right here. Let me show you right here, okay. Oops. So these pages are out there working for me 24/7. This is an online business in a box, okay? Just think of e-commerce. E-commerce is just selling things online, like Amazon.com, that's e-commerce. Anybody that's selling something online has a website. That's called e-commerce, basically, right? So you're gonna have your own digital business, your own e-commerce business. You're gonna be selling digital products online. I like digital products because you don't have to worry about inventory, shipping. They're like, they're like violence-free products because you're not harming any animals or anything because they're digital. So it's just like, it's like a good karma business in my personal opinion. So the digital products, like with these digital products, you earn 100% profit per sale, right? 100% profit, no shipping, no inventory, no customer headache, no customer service headaches, because we provide free customer service inside of our community. Okay, that's why I like digital products. And as you can see here, this is called the capture page. Discover how to earn 100% profit online using a proven blueprint. So you earn 100% profit per sale. So how this works is someone goes here, they put their email in, which means you're building your email list. And then it will take them through your sales funnel. So you're gonna have a sales funnel that's gonna look something like this. Okay, mine's a little different because mine is branded to me. Yours will be branded to you, but it's basically gonna look like this, okay? So this is a sales funnel. They're gonna put their email in, right? At the capture page, you're building your email list. Then they're gonna watch this video, and then this video we send out in people's emails. So these 2 videos are doing the selling for you. These 2 videos are answering like 99% of the questions for you. And you can go through my whole sales funnel too, and you can see how these automations work, because the same automations that I'm using are the same automations that you will be using. Mine are just branded to me, and yours will be branded to you, but it's basically these same pages. Okay, and it sends people to your website, your sales page, which will look something like this. Okay, so they purchase one of these programs, 100, 300, 600, or 900, right? So like if you wanted to get started with this business, all you have to do is purchase one of the programs. You purchase the 100, the 300, the 600, or the 900, and then you get the full website, you get the sales funnel, you get everything, but you can only sell the products that you have. Okay, so if you own the $900 product, then you can sell all of the programs, because all of the programs are included in the $900 program. But if you only have the $100 program, you can only resell that, but you earn 100% profit per sale no matter which program you purchase, okay? And there's also installment plans for you and your customers. So that's basically what you're doing is you're just, you're sending people to your website, to your link, so they can put their email in. You're building that email list, and then people are constantly going through your sales funnel, right? So you just want to send as many people as you can to your link, okay? And we teach you how to do that through attraction marketing. So they're going to go here, and then, I'm not going to read this whole website to you. You can read it yourself, 7figuremonk.com. You can check it out. But basically, you get to keep 100% of the profits. You get resell. You get a certificate training Like you become a licensed reseller of the programs. We have 50,000 people in our community. We did $29 million in sales in 7 days. So the website looks like this. You put your pictures here, you put your bio here, it's branded to you. Okay, people can go and they purchase a product. Like if they click on one of the products, it'll take them to the checkout page and they can check out, right? So it's all automated, right? This is how you earn passive income. This is how you make money in your sleep. And you get paid through your payment gateway, like PayPal, Stripe, Square. Okay, I get paid through those payment gateways, right? So your website will look something like this. You see how I have my pictures? You'll have your pictures there. This is perfect for you if you want to earn some extra income, you want to work from anywhere. Okay. And yeah, you can check out the website, but it basically looks like this. So this is all created for you. And then you get these bonuses, you get access to our community. Okay. You get all these extra bonuses like how to do faceless marketing, how to create your own digital products, and that's that. So like if you wanted to get started with this business, you purchase one of these programs and it'll take you here. This is where you'll view all your products, which are the programs, the education, the training, that's the product. Okay. So here's your certification training. You go through this. This is going to show you the do's and the don'ts of how to resell these programs. Like what is digital marketing? What is attraction marketing? Your personal brand, storytelling marketing, how to do like compliance and ethical marketing practices. You're going to learn all of this stuff. So you're going to learn how to do digital marketing like a pro. Okay. And then all your bonuses are here. So your exclusive bonuses are all here as well. And then what you want to do is once you purchase a program, you want to go inside of your program, whichever one was most expensive, just start there because everything's included in the top program that you have. Okay. So you just go through like the program's like a recipe, and these programs basically teach you how to make 6 and 7 figures online. It's going to teach you everything about digital marketing and how to attract customers, how to build multiple streams of income, how to build your brand, things like this. So you just click here, get started. This is going to show you like, welcome to the program, what to expect, what is passive income, winning mindset, the 2-hour workday. Okay, it's going to break that down. And then one of the first things you got to do is set up your website, right? So you just go through here and you set up your website. So you're setting up these pages, okay? And you can set it up in like 1 to 2 days. It took me a few hours. It just depends on how focused you are, really. And one of the things you got to do is go to GoDaddy, get your own professional domain. Like my domain is 7figure Monk. So get a domain and a professional email address. My email address is support@7figure Monk. Okay. You can get that through GoDaddy because you need that if you want to like be a professional, and you need that for like email marketing purposes too. And then you got to set up your payment gateways like Square, Stripe, PayPal. That's how you receive your payments. So you get paid instantly every time someone purchases one of the programs from you. Okay. And then you just got to connect everything. It just shows you, basically you're watching these videos. Okay. You're just watching videos and it's going to show you step by step how to connect everything. Basically you're copying and pasting information. And when you're finished, it's going to look like this. All right. It's going to look something like this once you're finished. Okay. And that's that. And then after you finish that, setting up your business, there's a launch kit for your online business. This shows you how to get your first sale in 7 days. Okay. Like who is your customer? Questions to help you create content. Like we teach you how to use ChatGPT and AI. I use it all the time. It's my #1 assistant. It helps me create all kinds of content. Okay. So, and then you just go through the rest of the program over time, like social media marketing, storytelling, branding your business, things like this. And then let me show you inside of our community. This is the fun part. Okay. So once you get inside of our community, you can just go up here to write something and you can just introduce yourself. You can post your wins. You can ask questions. Okay. And then you want to go look at the pin posts. Oh, we're having a webinar soon. We're having our next webinar, which is going to be nice. So we can invite people to these webinars, and these webinars are doing the selling for you. Then you watch the pin posts. Like we have our latest trainings are pinned, all that stuff. Okay. Now let me show you the wins. Let me show you proof that people are making money simply by reselling these programs. Okay. So Christina, my friend, I actually know Christina. We're friends. We chat all the time. Well, I lost Christina. Anyways, here we go. This person, she's from South Africa because this is basically a global business. You can get customers from all over the world. She made $11,000 in September, and she lives in South Africa, but you get paid in American dollars. So she lives in South Africa, but she's getting paid in American dollars. So that's over like $200,000 in her currency. I don't know what that means because I've never been there, but that's good for them. It's good because if you're living outside of America and your currency is worth less than the American dollar, well, you're going to make extra money, right? Let's see another win. Okay, sale for Kate. She made $900. I'm excited to announce my first $900 sale. Boom. Okay, that's proof she sold a $900 product. Here's my friend Christina. Look, She made, okay. She made $600. She's making dinner and she got a payment for $600 through Square. Okay. She sold one program for $600. So there's your proof that people are making money. There is your proof. People love to see proof. Well, there it is. Okay. And that's just one page. We have 30 posts per page and we have 31,000 pages of wins. Let me just show you one more win. Okay. Here's another one. $600 sale on my daughter's birthday. Let's just do one more because it's fun. $100. Okay. 'Cause somebody purchased a $100 program. There you go. So sometimes they purchase the 100, sometimes they purchase the 600, sometimes they purchase the 900. And then you can get multiple sales in a day. 3,000 in 5 weeks. And most people purchase the $900 product. I think like 80% of people purchase that. And soon we're going to be launching a $1,400 product. So you're going to be able to earn $1,400 per sale. And if you go into the classroom, just go here, getting started. This is going to show you how the community works, how the business works. Okay. And then we have all these trainings, like we have mindset training, social media training, 6 figures in 6 months. We have bonus trainings inside of the community as well. And then we have live events. Like right now, we're doing a customer growth formula. I'm not going to watch that right now. I can watch the replay. And then, yeah, welcoming new customers. We have free webinars. We have our millionaire mentoring every single Monday. So this shows you when we have our next live event. And yeah, that's the community. This is where you get all your training, your mentoring, your support for free inside of the community. Okay. So like I said, with this business, all you got to do is get started and set up your business. And then you're following a 2-hour workday. Once your business is set up, this is when you get your income earning activities finished, your marketing activities. So basically, like what I do is I post content every day and I go live. That's basically what I do. That's what I've done to make multiple 5 figures. So I'm just going to show you my YouTube channel and like how I create content, just to give you some ideas, right? Yeah, let me go back here. Okay. So here is, oh, hold on. Here is my YouTube channel right here. Okay. So here's my YouTube channel and basically videos, like long form videos that I create. You can see the long form videos are here. I create long form videos. Like this is a long form video. It's like 10 minutes. It's more than 10 minutes. Then we have short form videos. I like to keep my short form videos like around a minute or less. And then also you can do B-roll videos like this. This is a B-roll video. So this is just me walking around, putting words on the screen. That's a B-roll video. All right. And then different posts you can do, like you can also do written posts on YouTube. So here's me just doing like an ad for the launch, $1,400 commissions, 2-hour workday, 100% profit. And you can create these images with the AI, or you can use like Canva to create these images. Here's me doing like a cool like comic that I created using AI. Here's just another ad. Here's kind of like value. I'm just giving people value. Okay. Nothing about my business, just some value posts. And that's it. That's basically how I create content. So that's all. And yeah. Okay. So if you want to get started, just go to 7figuremonk.com. There's a link in the bio. And if you have any questions, just reply to my emails. Okay. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with someone who needs it. If you know someone who's dealing with financial stress, just make sure you share this video with them. Okay. And otherwise, I will see you on the next one. So have a great day and God bless. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.